is gewoon fantastisch om al die verschillende invalshoeken bij elkaar te krijgen.
It's very important for us to learn more about circular economy from our partners and to see what we can do in our own city better with the help of our local stakeholders.
They don't look for a problem, but just a solution of the problem. This is what really inspires me.
We hope that we can find new ideas to adopt them to the city of Patras and to implement it.
I found all other partners very interesting, nice people with so many experience in this field, so I think we'll gain from their experience.
It's very interesting to see how we share some of the barriers, but also can find common solutions.
For me personally, what has been more interesting to reflect all together.
A nossa inspiração são as pessoas, portanto queremos trazê-las para junto de nós.
Het is leuk om mensen te ontmoeten en een keer de gezichten te zien bij de mails.
Learn from them and take home a concrete solution, so something that I could just apply when I come back home.
What we want to do with this network is to investigate the potential of urban resource centers for waste prevention, for behavioral change, and for the development of economic models to turn waste into resources for the economic process.